All right, guys, welcome. This is codewithtec, and I want to say if you have reached this far in our lesson, I want to say thank you very much. And what's up? Once more, like those of you who did the assignment, I want to say thank you. And those of you who didn't do the assignment, thank you also, all right? But I want us to do the assignment together in this video before continuing to lesson 3, okay? I want us to do the assignment together, all right? Let us do our assignment together. All right. So doing the assignment together, I'm going to come down here. All right. To open up a new work batch. All right. Or workbook. Now, if I come here, I'm on the sheet 2. There's sheet 1 that will have our work. Sheet 2 is just empty. So I'm going to enlarge it a bit so that you can see it good. All right. Good. Now, so for the first cell here, what we're going to do here, we're going to say product. All right. We'll say product here. Let me capitalize the P. Okay, product, and we say price. All right. And the next row we say quantity. Okay. After quantity, and then we say date. Okay. Now, for product, under here, we're going to keep this entire row here with what we call text. All right. I want us to practice what we are doing. Okay. We have to practice it. What we are doing. On a price, price will be money, right? It will be money. It will be accounting. Okay, so we use accounting for price. On a quantity, um, can we take number? Yes, we can take number, right? We take number on a quantity, and then we come to date. We can also take, let's take a very or short date. All right, short date. Good. Short date will be okay. Now we have set our data type on every column. All right. The next thing we want to do, we have just 3 products. All right. Maybe you can add it up to more product. All right. I will say rice. Okay. I will say milk. Come down here and say bread. Okay. Now, what's the price of our bread of rice? All right. We'll say 1,000. Let's just say 100. All right. We'll give 100. Okay. Now, if you notice something here, I didn't put the dollar sign. I didn't put the 2 decimal places. All right. It was only the data type that I changed. So it is working automatically. It make Excel more easy for you. Okay. That's Excel for you. Come on. Now, the next place for milk, we'll say 200. Okay. I just enter my 200. And you see the magic work. For the bread, we're going to say the bread just 5. Okay. Bread is just 5. Now, we want to know how many quantity are they or how many quantity we have in stock. Now, for the rice, we'll say we have 50 bags. All right. We have 50. Now, something about this number place that I'm not certified with. All right. We did it in our lesson 2. Now I want us to go and practical last A. Something about it I'm not certified with. For quantity, I don't want it to be in 2 decimal places with 2 decimal places value like 00. No way. So we want to change this. So we'll come here quickly. We'll come to more number formats and then we try and change it. Okay. Now we have 2 decimal places here. I don't want any decimal places. Good. Now we have our 50 clear. All right. So down here, we want to work it out for the entire place, the same thing. All right. So we want to work it out for it. So we'll just do it for the entire place. All right. We'll do it for the entire place, for the entire column. All right. Now our entire column is free of those 2 decimal places. Now we come for the milk. We say we have 100. Okay. We come down for the bread. Okay. Let's assume that we have more bread. We have more. 200 loaves of bread. Now, the next thing is we want to get our date. Okay. We will put our equal sign once more and call the function date. Besides calling the function date, maybe we could just use, we got this 999. All right. Now, let's try this out for you quickly. and see what it's going to give us. Now you see here, without calling the function, nothing happened. All right. Although it is up here date, all right, but without calling the function, nothing happens. All right. For me, I will tell you this: it's always good to call the function. All right. Now we are doing these things so that you can see and know the important why we call the function. Because someone will ask the question and say, "Oh, codewithtec, you just changed the data type to date, but you are still calling the function." All right. Now, without calling the function, it doesn't really count. So we need to call the function. Okay. So we call the function date. We put the year 2000 09, 09, and close the parenthesis. Now it work out. Okay. The next area you can call the function equal sign and say date. All right. Good. The next area we say 2000 again, comma 04, comma 04. Close the parenthesis. I'm just putting some random figure in here. All right. So please don't mind me. You can put whatever you choose. All right. You can put whatever you choose. Now for here, I'm going to put date again and say 999 no 998 command 08 08 command 01. Right, close this. Good. Now for you who using your Excel or on your computer, all right, this is our assignment. I just did the entire assignment. The assignment can still be modified. This identical assignment can still be modified. All right. Now, in further lecture, we are going to identify and modify each and every area that we want to modify. All right. First, we're going to identify the place and modify it. All right. Now, let us get something straight for this assignment. For this assignment, we have rice, we have milk, we have bread. All right. And we have just stated that we have the rice is 100, okay, and the bread, the quantity of rice we have is 50, and then we have the milk is 200, the quantity is 100. All right, we have the bread, the price is 5, and then the quantity is 200. There are lots of things missing in here. All right, now someone may ask, say, what are some of the things that are missing that you're saying probably it could be modified? Okay, we don't have any currency. Okay, we don't have any currency. We are just saying we are just using the dollar sign. Okay, the dollar sign could be Liberian dollar, it could be American dollar. Okay, we don't know, so we will have to at least make it clear to anyone who want to read our information. Okay, so for now, we're not going to do anything about it because our assignment is already done. Okay, that is our assignment. So guys, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Share our WhatsApp group link and make sure that you get more students. If you don't have your computer, your mobile phone can also help you do some of these things then. If you don't know what app to install on your mobile phone that will help you do these things then, you text me and I will help you at least get you on board so that you can be learning along with your friends. And for those of you watching the video on YouTube, please guys, you can check in the bio, you can check into our video description where we have our WhatsApp link and you can join the WhatsApp class, ask questions in the WhatsApp class, and we will also answer you. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. I see you guys in lesson 3. Okay, thank you.